are considering for a hair transplant procedure, it is natural for you to have a lot of questions to ask to your surgeon. You might be really unsure about the questions or worried about forgetting them during your consultation. So we have prepared a guide to the most important questions which you can ask during your consultation. Hi, this is Dr. Asima Pati. I am a maxillofacial surgeon practicing in Hyderabad. As I told you, in this video, we will be discussing about the questions which you can discuss during your consultation for hair transplant procedure. The first thing which you can ask your surgeon, are you a good candidate for hair transplant surgery? The suitability of this procedure depends on your age, any medical condition and on the hair itself. In case you are not suitable for the hair transplant procedure, your surgeon will be giving you an alternative treatment. The second question which you can ask is what qualifications your surgeon has. It is incredibly important for you to know whether your surgeon has the required skills, the training and the qualifications to make your surgery safe and successful. The third question you can ask is which technique he is going to do for you, whether it is FUE or FUT. FUT is a procedure in which the entire strip of hair is removed and then it is transplanted. FUE is a more modern procedure in which individual hair grafts are removed and then they are transplanted. Generally these days people are more preferring FUE procedure because it involves less of scarring and the recovery time is also quite less. But you can surely ask your surgeon what is more suitable for you. The fourth question which you can ask your surgeon, what do you need to know before the surgery or what do you need to do before the surgery? So there are some surgeons who are going to plan alternatives, some different kind of treatment before right away going ahead for a hair transplant surgery. Like they might give you certain medications or they might advise you PRP treatment. So you need to consider these as well. And also there are certain set of investigations which would be needed before the surgery. Next thing you need to know is what the surgery is going to be like. Depending on the area to be covered for you, the surgery, the treatment might take from few hours to few days, like 2 to 3 sessions. And you can also ask the surgeon how the pain is going to be managed, whether he himself is going to perform the treatment for you. The next question which you have to ask your surgeon is how long is it going to take for you to see the results of the transplant. Now the result of hair transplant is not going to be instant. It might actually take some months for you to see the starting of the hair growth. So you should make sure that your expectations are managed and you should ask your doctor that how is your hair growth going to be after the procedure. Next question that you have to ask your surgeon is how much is going to be the recovery time. It takes a minimum of 7 days of time for the skin to form scab and fall off. During this time, your doctor will be suggesting you how to sleep so that the grafts are not disturbed, about exercising and about what hair products you are supposed to use so that the donor area heals in a proper way. Would you need a second transplant or not? This should be your next question to your doctor. Due to the natural thinning of hair, some people might need a second transplant in the future. So you have to ask your doctor to prevent or to slow down the process of thinning of your hair. Lastly, you should be asking him about the cost of your procedure. Once he sees your scalp, he should be telling you about the cost of the procedure. You can surely discuss about it whether any finance options are available at his center. If you are planning for a hair transplant procedure, get in touch with us to find out more. Thank you for watching me. Take care. Stay safe.